One fine evening, after having had enough of your gatha or gadhas, you finally took the smart decision of blocking them and focusing on your life. And it felt great until it didn't. Because after a few days, life happened. And suddenly you find yourself so bored that you're actually considering unblocking him. Now, I don't blame you for this because it's actually very human to crave that sort of excitement. But, and it's a big but, that you don't fall into the same vicious cycle that your past version lived in. If I'm sounding serious right now, I actually have a tendency to take everything in life very, very seriously. So I often struggle with feeling light in certain situations. In fact, all of them. But I'm working on it and it's going to get better. I'm Anvesha, by the way. I'm currently a third year MBBS student at a government medical hospital, and I am very self aware and emotionally intelligent, so I'm automatically qualified to give you life advice. So, today let's talk about boredom, urges, and that annoying feeling of wanting to go back to people you don't even like anymore. Because, in essence, we're dealing with two problems. Number one, your dopamine circuit is fried, and number two, you actually need to find out different ways to bring back joy and happiness into your own life that does not involve a man. So, let's get started. Number one, reduce the frequency of checking your phone. I said frequency, not screen time. What we do is every single time we're even a tiny bit bored, we automatically have built this habit of just opening up Instagram because it's the easiest thing to do. And every single time we do that, we are just reinforcing that bad habit, which gives us really cheap dopamine right now, but no long term happiness. Point two, do one thing slowly every single day. Now, I'm not going to ask you to do every single thing in your life very slowly because, of course, we have classes, some of you might have jobs, and we have things that we have to get done in our day to day lives, right? I'm asking you not to do everything, but just one little thing in your entire day slowly. Like, really slowly. Take your time, like, be in the moment. And do not check your phone, or do not listen to a podcast, or do not listen to music while you're doing that. For me, it's my nighttime skincare routine. I have finally developed this habit where I actually take time in doing my skincare and just enjoying what I've spent so much money on. Number three, make plans. To be able to enjoy life, you need to make plans. So every single time you have a day off or during the weekends, make plans with your friends to explore the city, do something fun. And now if you're saying that you do not actually have people or friends who are available to go out with you, then go alone. Solo dates are actually really in trend right now. And if you're saying that you do not have access to a vehicle or you cannot go outside, then also we have a solution. You can stay inside, you can watch a movie, read a book, join a gym, and really organize your life. Don't look for excuses, look for solutions. You need to keep yourself so busy that you have absolutely no time to spiral into overthinking. Number four, be patient with yourself. Growth isn't linear. You will get bored. You will want to go back. You will want to re-download Hinge, and you will want to text that ugly ass fine shit of yours. This urge won't go away unless you're absolutely, absolutely done with them. And I can tell you because I have been there and I have done so many mistakes. And after having made so many mistakes that I've finally realized my worth, and now I am so done with all of that bullshit that I'm never ever gonna allow myself to go back. I rarely ever get these urges to text back. I said rarely, not never. Because never is not real. You're gonna have days when you feel so low that you will want to go back again. But what's important is that you always come back to yourself. That is what matters at the very end. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much for all the love that you have shown me over these years. And I wish you all the best. Follow me on Instagram. Consider subscribing if you want to. And that's it. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy.